Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new series whereby we're going to be taking a look at transformers. Alright, so this is lesson 1. We're taking a look at transformers for machine learning and large language models. So, what are transformers? Transformers are typically a type of AI model designed to understand and process sequences like text, audio, or even DNA. Originally, it's been created for language, but they are now used for tasks like image recognition, music generation, and more. Why do transformers matter? So transformers have changed everything when it comes to the realm of machine learning. So they replaced older models like RNNs, which stand for recurrent neural networks, and LSTMs, long and short-term memory networks. So these are essentially the legacy models. The reason transformers have replaced them is because 1, they're faster, they're also smarter and more accurate. They are the tools that power tools like ChatGPT, BERT, and Google Translate. The magic ingredient, attention. The key innovation behind transformers is attention. The model learns to focus on the most important words in a sentence. For example, I ate the cake because I was hungry. The word because helps to link ate and hungry. So attention helps the model to pick up on that. Again, some more use cases of transformers. So we have language tasks, document processing, and many things even beyond text, such as classifying images, predicting stock prices, or creating images from text. And that takes us on to looking at what is known as Hugging Face. So what is Hugging Face? Hugging Face is a platform that makes using transformers super easy. So instead of building models from scratch, you can download thousands of pre-trained models and use them right away. It's friendly, open source, and full of helpful tools. So if you don't know what open source means, it essentially means that it's free and community driven. We've got thousands of contributors on open space. It's very simple and fast to set up and get working with these pre-trained models immediately. So what can you do with these Hugging Face models? Well, we have pre-built models for things such as sentiment analysis. So if you want to determine if a text is overall positive, negative, or neutral, for example, we can do that. Summarization, create concise versions of longer documents. Text generation, if you want to create new content based on prompts. Translation, of course, that is converting between two different languages. We also have something known as fill in the blank, where we can complete missing portions of a text. Okay. So as we've previously said, installing the transformers library from Hugging Face is super simple, and it's simply just this one line of code here, which we'll take a look at in subsequent lessons. Okay, so here's how you run your first transformer. This is an example of running a transformer for sentiment analysis. So the model will read this sentence and it's going to determine that, of course, this is a positive piece of text. Okay. So summary so far, transformers are powerful deep learning models. They're easy to access via the Hugging Face open source community. They're very versatile in terms of their tasks, from sentiment analysis, text generation, summarization, and more. And you can get started today by simply signing up for a free account on Hugging Face, which we're going to take a look at and do in subsequent lessons. Alright, so that pretty much concludes it for our introductory lesson, and I'll see you over in the next one. Bye bye.